Welcome back again from CADESC, Marathalli, Bangalore. Yes, we are talking about my vision, how I'm going to change my engineers. I see my engineers are being criticized, insulted, uh, given some names, and odd names were given. Why? Being a professional, why have to get these names? Hopefully, some people from industry background, they'll be knowing it, how hard it is to learn. We are in freedom India, but still from the chain of this barrier where engineering, education, still we are not free from it. Still we are not free from those blah blah blah, all still we are. I want it to be a smooth streamline. How CADESC, Marathalli, JBK CADESC is going to help us bring an engineer inside you. How I'm going to bring it? By motivation. Already you have spent almost 720 days in engineering, where all the subjects as you are passed, that's why you are having the graduation, but everything is there in your memory. I'm going to brush up your memory, motivate it, boost it, give the application knowledge and bring it out. Software application is nothing but it does not have intelligence. It is developed based on certain algorithms and certain commands and how to do it, all these things. That is not an knowledge. The knowledge is what you study from your subject, and the software is going to be a skill. Here we have come to develop our knowledge plus we need a skill. Without knowledge, no use of skill. Without skill, no use of knowledge. It is directly proportional. Conjunction. Both should be in conjunction. During my young age, I was inspired by Sir Kelly Johnson. He is a famous engineer, Sir Kelly. He was a fire designer and engineer who developed SR-71 Blackbird. To still this day, this is the fastest airplane that has been grounded. 3.5 times Mach 3.5. It is literally faster than a flying bullet and no missiles. This is the only aircraft in history which has never been shot down, and it does not have any weapon. The weapon is speed. The speed is the weapon here. He has got rules. Manufacturing and design should go side by side. But today, the capitalists in my country, maybe globally, they don't want an engineer to learn all this trade. Then only we need a person who will listen to me. Manufacturing will be in a separate area, design will be a separate area. About design people will not know what the things are done in manufacturing, and manufacturing people will not know how the design is done. This is a huge gap. Now, how the knowledge will be there? Simply we will be workers in design. How a design change is taking place in manufacturing, he will not know. How the design certain parameters are done, manufacturing engineer does not know. Same wise, quality purchase, R&D, and engineering planning, everything has been isolated. Why don't I have the rights in this freedom country, in this free world, to gather all this knowledge? Because we have been limited by a system, an education system. This one. Now, he removed the barrier. That's why within the short term, the SR-71, still today, in this century, it was an engineering marvel. Still today, this was the first plane to equip titanium. Titanium machining is not so easy. It has got a high strength and a high temperature withstanding capacity. No hardened tools can cut it. It was exclusively developed. There are many history behind SR-71 and many engineering marvels behind SR-71 Blackbird, developed by Skunk Works. Mr. Kelly Johnson, Sir Kelly Johnson, he made this shop floor where design will be parallel to the manufacturing. Here all the machines will be here. Here those days it will be drafting board. This is not done using CAD software. It was completely done using manual drafting. say 300 plus engineers will be in each and every drafting board. Each and every part of the plane, 300 engineers, the whole hall, and you have machines, welders, fabricators, everybody will be there. If these people doesn't know how problem is solved, they approach, they walk across this, they will see this and they'll adapt in the design. They'll make a paper out of it. And here people, how these people have done this design. Here I'm having difficulty in cutting a sheet and snipping a sheet, or how to machine it. He'll go here, parallel income. That's why it was successful. But today it is not there. Today it's not there. Hope you are from the industry. Could you able to get this? No, you'll not be allowed.
Yeah.
Untouchable. Design is untouchable. And this one is another untouchable. Why not? So this barrier should be broken. This barrier you are going to break with CADESC. Marathali, Bangalore. Yes. Now, once again, I thank Mr. Manohar and my husband and the video cameraman and all you people to listen this short story. Thank you.